medical benefit rider. This rider is the same as the MedAssist, the AIA MedAssist, that if you know this product, diba, it's a health card with savings component. No? So same siya nun without the savings component kasi hindi ito VUL. No? So whole life si Max Protect tapos nilagyan mo ng rider na purely medical benefit. So may life insurance ka and then pwede kang maglagay ng health card rider. So this is actually a health card rider, no, kung tatawagin natin. Kasi life insurance mo, lalagyan natin ng health card. Alright, so this is very popular. Napakaganda nito. So, merong different plans to. May Plan A, Plan B, Plan C, and Plan D. Depende sa coverage. So, let's take a look. No? Tignan natin dito kung ano yung mga coverage na makukuha mo for this rider. Alright, so Plan A, 500,000 yung maximum coverage na every year. Plan B is 1 million. Plan C is 2 million. Plan D is 4 million. So, syempre, habang lumalaki, nagmamahal yung rider na yan. No? So, tapos, yung basic hospital, the room and board, no, the room and board mo is 1,000 kapag Plan A, 2,000 pag Plan B, and so on. Alright? The miscellaneous inpatient is as charged. Alright? So, kung ano yung bill, yun yung i-charge subject to certain limit like 90%. Later, papakita ko sa inyo. Attending physician, yung main doctor mo. No? So, 1 visit per day, 1,000. Plan B, 2,000, 4,000, and 8,000 as follows. Specialist fee, yung may other specialist ang tumingin sa'yo, 1,500 sa Plan A, 2,500 sa Plan B, 4,500 and then 8,500 sa Plan C and D. ICU is 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, and 16,000, which is double the room and board. Alright? And then surgical benefit, 50% of surgeon's fee, yung operating theater and recovery room. Yung surgeon's fee is based on RVS, so not to exceed yung 20,000 sa Plan A, 40, 80, and 160,000 sa B, C, and D. Alright? Anesthesiologist's fee is 50% of the surgeon's fee. Alright? Organ transplant, 100,000. Aggregate limit yan. So, tapos sa Plan B, 200, 400, and 800,000. Emergency cases as charged yan. So, pag emergency talaga, how much charge siya. And then, ambulance services, of course, may 3,000, 5,000, 8,000, and 10,000. Depende sa plan. Alright? Terminal care or hospice care, lifetime limit ito, 50,000, 100, 200, and 400,000. Depende sa plan. Recovery care, like a private duty nurse, kung ni-require ng doctor, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and 40,000. No? And then, yung medical equipment, like wheelchair, etc. 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 40,000. And then meron siyang lifetime limit. So, and then Philippines lang yung area of coverage niya. Yung lifetime limit niya is 5 times the annual limit ng plan. So, kung yung Plan A, 500,000 ang annual limit times 5, 2.5 million. 5 million sa Plan B, 10 million sa Plan C, and then 20 million sa Plan D. Yung maganda rito, no, yun nga, kahit may sakit na, just renew lang, pay again the premium next year. No, maliit lang yung tinataas ng premium ng rider na to. Covered ka pa rin up to the annual limit, the lifetime limit ng plan. So, yun yung maganda. No, so, there's just a few notes on this medical benefit rider is wanna highlight this. So, again, medical benefit is a co-share between benefit between the company and the policy owner. Alright? After deduct yung PhilHealth, so PhilHealth muna. Kung wala kang PhilHealth, ibabawas pa rin yung PhilHealth cost. No, nangyari to sa akin kasi I'm a business owner. Nung una, hindi ako nagpa-file ng PhilHealth ko. So, ganun ba rin, binawas pa rin pala yung PhilHealth before magamit yung card. No? So, nung na-hospitalize ako. Nakalagay dito no, na isi-shoulder 90% no, is shouldered by the company through this benefit, while the remaining 10% will be shouldered by you as a policy owner. But please take note na merong limit, na merong inner limit. Example, kung Plan A ka tapos 1,000 yung room and board mo, yun yung max niya. Kapag pumasok ka sa room na 5,000, kahit sinabing 90% yung limit ng card, hindi 4,500 yung i-cover sa'yo. No, 1,000 lang kasi yun lang yung coverage ng card mo. Alright, so I want you I want to really clarify that and the clients to understand that na merong inner limit, hindi ito 90% automatic. No, kunyari naman 1,000 lang din yung room mo, tas 1,000 ang coverage mo. Alright, 90% lang ng 1,000 yung cover, which is 900 pesos. Alright? Yun yung maximum, no, na i-cover sa'yo. No? So, laging may share dun sa part ni policy owner. Alright? The medical benefit rider is subject to a waiting period of 30 days. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng kumuha ka ngayon na approve bukas, magpa-hospitalize ka na kagad. Alright? No? So, 30 days after the effective date or reinstatement date, kunyari nag-lapse, hindi ka nagbayad, tapos pina-reinstate mo because you can reinstate within 3 years. Alright? So, magbibilang ulit ng 30 days yun kasi dapat, healthy ka. Hindi kung kailangan, again, may nakararamdaman ka lang, tsaka ka mag-reinstate. Alright? Medical benefit rider will automatically terminate if the lifetime limit amount is already reached. So, hindi ka na i-allow mag-renew kung na-reach mo na yung lifetime limit mo. Alright, for this rider lang naman. The others, you can continue like the life insurance, etc. if that's part of your Max Protect. No, the other riders. The company has the right to suspend medical benefit coverage if premiums are not paid when they fall due. So, kunyari, late ka nagbayad or lagpas ka ng grace period, which is 30 days, tapos tsaka ka nagpa-hospitalize, no, malaki yung chance hindi ka makaklaim. Alright? And then, medical benefit area of cover is within Philippines only. Alright? So again, the waiting period of the time of the insured must wait before the coverage of their benefits will take place or take effect is within 30 days. Ulitin ko yun. And then, no pre-existing condition claims within 1 year from policy effective date. Ang maganda rito, on the second year, kung mayroon kang pre-existing at in-approve ka, dineclare natin yung pre-existing, in-approve ka, on the second year, pwede nang ma-cover yun ng card. Sa first year, bawal talaga.